In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import plugins in WordPress. Plugins are an essential part of customizing and enhancing your WordPress website. Whether you're looking to add new features, improve functionality, or integrate third-party tools, plugins can help you tailor your site to meet your exact needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to upload and install plugins quickly and efficiently. If you're new to WordPress, be sure to check out the link in the description to create your account and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official WordPress website by typing in www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. This step is important because you'll need to be logged in to make any changes to your website. Next, you'll be prompted with several login options. Select the Continue with Google button to log in using your Google account credentials. This method is not only secure, but also saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you've chosen Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply select the account you want to use to access WordPress and you're in. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the main administration panel of your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website from here. Locate the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open up the Plugins management area. This is where all the magic happens. It's where you can add, update, or manage the plugins that power your site. Once you're in the Plugins section, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Upload. Click on it. This will open a file selection dialog box, allowing you to choose the plugin file you want to install from your computer. Make sure you have the plugin file downloaded beforehand. Plugin files typically come in a compressed format, like a zip file, so locate and select the correct file from your computer. Before proceeding with the upload, it's crucial to ensure that your WordPress account is on a business plan subscription. This is a key requirement for uploading custom or third-party plugins. Without a business plan, the upload feature will not be available to you, and you won't be able to complete this process. If you're unsure about your subscription level, take a moment to verify it under the Plan section of your dashboard. If you don't see the upload option or run into any issues, this is likely the reason. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import plugins into WordPress, from logging in to navigating the plugins section and uploading your file. Each step is designed to help you customize your site with ease. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.